All right, guys, on this episode of Quick Tunes, we actually have another Lowrider ST. This one only has the breather kit and the 2-into-1 pipe, as you guys can see. It's a Bassani pipe for those that are wondering. This video we are making specifically for one of our loyal viewers that commented on the last Quick Tune we did with an ST. About the cam horsepower and stuff like that with a 107 M8. This is basically the same bike without the cam. So 2-into-1 pipe with just an air cleaner, Milwaukee 8 motor. This one, however, is originally equipped with the 117 versus the other video we did with the cam. It was originally equipped with a 107. So let's see, we're gonna tune this thing up and see how much horsepower we can get out of it, as usual, in champion fashion, safely, with real numbers, no BS trying to sell products like most of these places you see online. Stick with us, let's see what happens. Alright guys, there you have it. We've finished up tuning on this 117 equipped Lowrider ST. Again, 2-into-1 pipe and an air cleaner, common mod. This video was a shout out to a guy that commented on our last video requesting horsepower numbers on this exact setup. As you guys can see, after some quick tunes and some quick tuning, we wound up getting 103 horsepower and 114.89, so we'll call it 115 foot-pounds of torque with a good, safe, clean AFR. We reached about 107 horse and 119 foot-pounds or 18 or something at some point while we were tuning, I saw there, but it was a bit rich for my liking and for rideability purposes. So finished tune, clean, smooth, reliable, healthy running bike in every way, shape, and form. 103 horsepower, 114.89 foot-pounds of torque. Again, those are real numbers, SAE, smoothing 5, new dyno, hella calibrated, in typical champion spec. Hope you guys found this video informative. We were happy we were able to answer Buddy's questions. Guys, please don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Stick around for more good stuff. We'll bring you more quick tunes and other good stuff like that coming shortly. Stick around, guys.